Well, it's back. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Turns out this is a pain in the nuts. And those wires come out of the switch real easy. I don't know. He wanted his wires through the bars. So I was like, sure, we can do that. It's kind of a headache. Whatever, it'll look good, I guess. So that's what I did yesterday. Fault wires. Fun. You know, I love Harley. But sometimes. Ugh. Anyway. Yeah. So there's a hole under here. And there's a hole right down there. In the middle. So I took a piece of MIG welder wire, ran through there, fished on the ends of these from up here, pulled them out. They come out the front. I'm going to take all this tape off, repin all the wires to go back in the plug. You know. So you put new amp and stereo and shit in it and got it all put together and clamped everything down, and volume switch didn't work anymore. So we had to pull it all apart, replaced a couple of switches, reran some wires, made it this far, and by that time we were both dead. Stayed up all night at work and then come home in the morning, unload this thing and started messing with it. I pulled a full 24 yesterday. I did hang up a new Toyota banner, so that's kind of cool. But, yeah, that's what's happening here. Haven't touched the Toyota, really. I mean, took stuff off, ain't got the cab off yet. And now I'm stuck in this thing, so hopefully I can have it out of here by Monday. Anyway, at least have him back in the wind. Drive fast, take chances. Wiring sucks.